Hey, I'm Casey, and today I'm going to teach you how to use your Wahl trimmer to achieve the anchor beard. Alright, first you're going to need about 3 or 4 weeks of beard growth for this one. You don't need a full beard, but you do need enough to fill in. Next, you can grab a styling brush, make sure that all the hair is moving in the right direction. Again, only paying attention to the area around your mouth. We're going to get rid of all this. Alright, first step, you're going to use your Wahl trimmer to get rid of all the hair on your cheeks, leaving the hair around your mouth, above and below your mouth. We're also going to get all the hair on the neck and underneath the chin. Alright, so next up, we're going to create the anchor below the mouth. You're going to start by a little V shape underneath the lip with about a ½ inch patch of hair that extends and creates that anchor up. I find that using my tongue to push my lips out allows a flatter surface to cut. You can use the edge of your trimmer to create a more precise shape too. Okay, now that we have the anchor shape on the bottom in your beard, we're going to create a pyramid shape of your mustache. All right, we've got the shape. Now we need the length. You're going to get a number 2 guard on your trimmer, and we're going to take down the length of the mustache and the beard. I like to use a little beard balm, rub it between my hands, and work it in through the beard and the mustache. Then you can use your styling brush to brush all the hairs in the same direction. And that's how you do it. That's how you use your Wahl trimmer to create an anchor beard.